guys, for breakfast I'm having a quick oatmeal with some strawberries and brown sugar on the top. I love this meal. I have it almost every morning except for weekends. I like to jazz it up a little bit, but it's so quick. Whole grain oats, so it gives you a good boost of energy in the morning, high in fiber as well. Sometimes I make like some sausage on the side so I can have a good dose of protein, but today I'm not that worried about it. And then I also have my tea. I'm feeling a little bit stuffy today. It's elderberry along with lemon and ginger. So that's my breakfast. True. So we just made our funa. I already ate like half of it. I really like this meal. It's super easy, low cleanup, high in protein. Chickpeas have a lot of protein in them, and I love tuna. I loved tuna before I was vegan, so it's nice to have like this comparison to it. I call it funa. If you want the chickpeas to have more of a tuna texture, you can always blend them a little bit, like blitz them in the blender, not too much, but a little bit. I was being kind of lazy today, don't really feel like it, but you can always do that. Yeah, about to eat and then go back to work. Afternoon snack time. Okay, y'all, basically done. Just gonna add a little drizzle of agave on top, and there you go. Okay, y'all, here's the final. It's so good, so tasty. It reminds me of a taffy apple. So quick to make, like 5 minutes. All you gotta do is chop the apple and then throw everything together in a bowl. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. On days that I don't go to the gym, I like to have like a snack like this or like a smoothie, something like that right after work. If I was going to the gym, I would have like a small like energy bar or like a banana, but since I'm not going to the gym, your girl is going to get it in. Also, this bowl has a good amount of protein with the peanut butter, and also I use some protein granola as well, so I'm always trying to sneak protein in as much as I can. Now yeah guys, gonna go ahead and enjoy this, relax, and I'll see y'all back for dinner. girl, last time y'all saw me, y'all saw my plate. Plate is gone. Okay, it was super good. I know it's not the most aesthetic looking plate. I couldn't make it look aesthetic if I wanted it to, but it was good nevertheless. I had the meatloaf, veggie meatloaf with mashed cauliflower. I steamed cauliflower, blended it, added garlic, butter, salt, pepper, and then I also had some leftover broccoli potato hash from another day, so I used that as a side as well, and that was my dinner, and it was so good. I got the meatloaf recipe from Avant Garde Vegan. I'm gonna go ahead and link it in the description below, but I made some modifications to it, so I'll tell y'all the modifications I made to his recipe. Great recipe, very high in protein, a ton of different vegetable sources and nutrient sources, which I really like. But yeah, y'all, that was a day in the life of what I eat as a vegan. I've been vegan for about 2 years, almost 3 at the top of the year, and I always get questions about what do you eat, how do you come up with your meals, etc. And it's just all about being creative, all about incorporating what you liked previous to your diet change. Like, I really like tuna, for example. I had a comparable version of tuna today, so just want to keep it fresh, keep it creative. Even though like I'm in the gym and I work out a lot, I don't track my macros, I don't track my calories. I really just eat to what feels right for me and just try to be as healthy as possible and hit as much protein as I possibly can. But I don't track those things. I just can't. I don't want food to feel like a chore for me when it already feels like a chore, like cooking and stuff, because your girl is lazy. So I hope this video was helpful nevertheless. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to make another video like this. Obviously every day looks different, especially if I go to the gym. That's a whole different layout of meals. Today I didn't. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch y'all next time.